हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप। वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद चैप्टर नंबर 3 अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल NCERT standard 8. Before starting the chapter we need to know certain terms which we are going to use again and again in this chapter. For example, number 1, curve. What is a curve? Any drawing, straight or non-straight, drawn without lifting the pencil is called a curve. For example, I will draw a few figures here. These all the figures I have drawn without lifting the pencil. Now one more figure I will draw. This figure also I have drawn without lifting the pencil. So in mathematics, a line segment is also a curve. Next, types of curves. Number 1, simple curve. A curve that does not cross itself is called a simple curve. For example, here these curves are not crossing themselves, so these are simple curves. And a curve that crosses itself is not a simple curve. For example, here all the curves they are crossing themselves, so these are not simple curves. Next, number 2, open curve. A curve that has beginning and end points is called an open curve. For example, all these curves are open curves. The open curve, they have a passage to go inside and come out of the curves. Number 3, closed curve. A curve which does not have endpoints and encloses an area is called a closed curve. These all are the examples of closed curves. In a closed curve, we do not get passage to come out of the curve if we are inside, or to go inside the curve if we are outside. There is no passage. Next is polygon. What is a polygon? A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. For example, these all are polygons. They are simple, closed and made up of only line segments. So these all are polygons. Next, exterior and interior of a polygon. Here is a polygon. Points A, B, C are in the interior. Point X, Y and Z are in the exterior of the polygon. Next, diagonal. A line segment joining two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon is called its diagonal. Here we have three polygons. Let us try to draw their diagonals by joining non-consecutive or non-adjacent vertices. Here ABCD is the quadrilateral. Its non-adjacent vertices are A and C and B and D. So a quadrilateral has two diagonals. Next, PQRST is a pentagon. So we get 5 diagonals in a pentagon by joining non-adjacent vertices. Next, one more figure is there. Let us join its non-adjacent vertices. This figure is a quadrilateral. It has also two diagonals. Here all the diagonals are shown with the red. Next is the formula to find the number of diagonals in a polygon. It is easy to draw and count the number of diagonals in a polygon with lesser number of sides. But it is difficult to draw and count the number of diagonals in a polygon with more number of sides. So there is a formula to find the number of diagonals. Therefore, number of diagonals in a polygon is given by, if a polygon has n sides, then formula is given by n into n minus 3 upon 2, where n is the number of sides of the polygon.